I am Chinmay Jagga and I study in class 5. I study in BC Shastri School, Ludhiana, Punjab. I am here to add an video for Intelthon. So here I go. So today I'll tell you the languages of the 29 states in our country, India. So let us start. So, firstly, we'll start from the Seven Sisters. The language of Nagaland is Nagamese. Manipur is Manipuri and Mizoram is Mizo. The language of Tripura is Assamese and Garo. The language of Meghalaya is Garo Khasi. Language of Assam is Assamese, and of Arunachal Pradesh is Assamese, Odia, and much more languages. Hindi also. In Sikkim, the language is Nepali. In West Bengal, Bengali. In Odisha, Odia. In Andhra Pradesh, Telugu. In Tamil Nadu, Tamil. Kerala, Malayalam. Karnataka, Kannada. Goa and Maharashtra. Marathi. Telangana also Telugu. Chhattisgarh, Chhattisgarhi. Madhya Pradesh, Hindi. In Gujarat, we speak Gujarati. Kem cho, Majama. In Rajasthan, we speak Rajasthani. Jharkhand is Bhojpuri or only Bhojpuri, and in Bihar, Bhojpuri. उत्तर प्रदेश हिंदी. हरियाणा, हमारे हरियाणा में छोरा और छोरी तो हरियाणवी बोलते छे. उत्तराखंड हिंदी. हिमाचल प्रदेश मोस्टली they speak Punjabi, Dogri or Pahari language, but their language is Hindi. In Jammu Kashmir, Dogri. और साडे पंजाब विच तां पंजाबी बोलदे हन. So that's all from my side. Chinmay Jagga signing off. Bye.